Hey, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to show you two ways that you can create blog posts and text summaries for social media from any YouTube videos. Okay, so let's go right in. And so in my case, I'll be using my own YouTube videos to create summaries and blog posts because this is some content that I already created, and so it's just a way to transform it into writing. But you can this thing can work with any YouTube video, okay? And so, for example, I'm gonna take this video of me talking about a certain subject in my niche. And so the first method I'm going to show you is by using the browser extension Clarity, okay? And Clarity is simply an extension that use AI to create summaries from videos and social media or any page. And you can go into the settings and simply change the different commands that you want to use for your transformation of content. Okay, so in my case, I'm asking Clarity to summarize the content, to create a blog post, and to highlight some important features about the videos. And so basically that's what it's doing. And then you can simply copy all of these texts, and I could use this, for example, in my website or maybe some sort of social media. Okay, and so this is just a way to use this extension to summarize the YouTube video, and then you can use these texts everywhere that you want. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. Another way that you can do this is by using the transcript in the video. Okay, so right here I'm using my YouTube video, but you can show the transcript. Okay, and the transcript here, this is basically everything that the person says in the video. Okay, and so in my case it's me talking, but this is the transcript of everything that I'm saying in the video. So what you can do with this transcript is that you basically copy paste all that I'm saying, and then you can use AI to summarize everything using your own command. So in my case, I'm gonna say create blog post of around 1,000 words about this content. And so here I'm going to use this simple command, but you can customize it the way you want. Okay, and so now AI and ChatGPT is going to do its thing. Okay, and so now this is some sort of introduction and then some sort of points. And ideally, you want to make sure that all these texts and all this information is right. You just don't want to copy paste all of these things without thinking. You want to make sure that everything is right, but it's just a way to easily transform YouTube videos into block of text that you can use on website and social media. And so I hope that this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any question. Okay, peace.